Underbooking. An underbooking is when adequate services were not reserved in advance. Although no one can predict just how long your move will take, with adequate details of your inventory and home terrain, we can prepare for any situation. We cannot perform to the best of our abilities if we are not properly informed and prepared. We are happy to provide rates and estimates via phone, email, or in home. However, it is absolutely essential for you to provide the following complete details when booking your services with any mover. Provide all logistical data relevant to your relocation. Addresses, phone number, date and time you need to move. Describe in detail and provide the number of stairs inside and outside of your home. Describe any item over 200 pounds. Describe the terrain and distance between parking of a large box truck and entryways to access articles. Provide a complete inventory of furniture, appliances, and boxes to be moved. Any other relevant information the movers will need to know in order to move you smoothly. To learn more, visit collegedudeshelpyoumove.com or give us a call. 704-266-1393. 704-266-1393. We look forward to helping make your move stress-free.